Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect Microsoft Access database to Tkinter form via Python coding. So here I'll explain how to design Tkinter form to enter data to Access database. So this is mainly done through Python codes, especially here the connection established between Microsoft Access and the Tkinter form is done through the Python codes. So I'll simply explain the method. Then before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, to do this, first I want to design a small database. Okay, firstly open Microsoft Access database and create a database. Okay, then here you have to give a name to your database. So here I named my database as sample. And after that I want to select a place where your database after that I have to select the location to save my database. So here I select desktop. And press OK. Now this is the database saved in desktop. So this is the database location. So here finally you have to click on this create button. Once you click on the create button, your database is created. Then you have to design a table. So here go to design view, then save your table as test. My table name is test. Then you have to design your table structure. So here to explain this one, I want to add only 2 columns. So my first column name is sname, just say student name, and its data type is just say short text, and my second field is age, so it stands for student age, and here as is age, then the data type is number. After that you have to save the database table. Then I define the columns for my database table. So my table name is test, and the 2 fields are name and age, student name and student age. Now after that we have to save the table. So my table is like this. Now the database creation is okay. Then minimize the database. Then you have to open VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So I have created a sample Python file called sample.py. So this is the place where I am going to add my codes to connect to make connection to Access database that I have created. Then this is the code I used to connect Microsoft Access database via Tkinter. So I'm going to copy this code. Then I'm going to paste this code here under sample.py file. So this is the code I used to enter the data. So here you have to import Tkinter, and you have to import these things. You should install Pyodbc to connect Access database. So these modules should be there. So firstly you have to import these things before starting this project. Then this is the definition for Microsoft Access Drive, and this is the place where you have to give your database location. So I saved my database in desktop. My database name is sample, so I'm going to right click, then go to properties, then you can see your database location. So copy your database location like this, then paste it here. You have to paste your database location here. So I have already pasted the database location. Then my database name is sample. That this is the database I created to explain this process, and this is the place where connection is established. And Tkinter form name is my form, and the geometry of the Tkinter form is 400 into 250, and these are the functions for data input boxes. So here you have to give your table name for this SQL command. So we created one table, single table. Its name is test. It has two columns, S name and SH. Then under this SQL statement, you have to give your database name here, insert into, and these are the column names of your test table, S name and SH. Then that's all. So once you complete these things, and these are for the Tkinter form format. Now what you should do is you have to save the code like this. Now after that we can run our code. So Python sample.py. So this is the database. This is how I'm going to run my database. So after run my code, so this is a Tkinter form I designed through this code. Then these are the two text boxes, and this is the form name. These are two text boxes linked to my Access database. And once I fill these text boxes with relevant details, then what happens? I have to click submit button. Then automatically this text data updates to the database. So just say my name is Hans and my age is 39. Then click on the submit button. So once you click on the submit button, you can see a message box like that. Data inserted successfully. So let's go to the MS Access database. Let's open this database and see what will happen. Then open the table. You can see my data is inserted to test table. So let's try for another detail in the data. Then the other name, my other record is Anderson, and then the age is 25. Yeah. Then refresh your database. This is the second entry. Likewise, you can create more advanced Tkinter form to end details to Microsoft Access database, and then you can create link between Tkinter form and Microsoft Access database via Python course. I think this will be very helpful to you. So what happens if I enter text? You see, use an error. Age must be a number. So here I have to enter a number. Otherwise, it doesn't permit to enter. Right. Likewise, in this way you can create you can link Microsoft Access database using Python coding to a Tkinter form. Then you can easily create data entry form using Tkinter and Python with the help of Microsoft Access. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let's meet with another video. Thank you very much.